Yes, look at all the bikes! Oh, I love it, man! If you do not have a bike, you are missing out, I'm telling you!
What are you, 170s? You are not. Stop the cap. I told y'all, next meet, I'm bringing up scale, dogs. I'm tired of this. And we're gonna make sure it's even. Yeah, for real, because they be having. How much you think he weighs, Dylan? Yeah.
Is this umbrella?
What is it?
It's cooling, bro.
No way.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Getting fed up, nothing you can tell us.
Well, here we go. Got some good food. We're gonna do a little bit more riding before it gets too cold. We got Sierra back in the video. She's wearing full gear. I don't know if the internet can handle that. We got someone doing a freaking burnout already. The shenanigans are going down. Oh man. All right, well, as always, God, please keep everyone safe. Help us to have fun. I forgot this thing's lowered, that's why it doesn't wheelie at all, but Joy's on the R3, he's back. I love it, man, I love it. I'm jealous of those gold wheels, they look so freaking good. Dream bike, guys, one day, mark my words, we'll make it happen. Just gotta keep pushing. People often get jealous when they see someone with something they want. I use it as motivation, man. Dude, hearing all these bikes at once sounds so good. Oh snap! There's a Denzel, it's actually pretty close. Dylan's getting him on that Dixon. Yes! Yes! Look at all the bikes! Oh, I love it, man! If you do not have a bike, you are missing out, I'm telling you! Go get you a bike. My guy, baby. Rocking the merch. Let's go! It's not like a nice sunset cruise with the boys, man. No gas stop. We'll always get topped off. You know what I'm saying? Just in case you run into a hairy situation. Yeah, SP2, baby. You started to rock the KYT today. I love it. You got lady riders out here. What is that thing? $70,000 right there. Of course. Yeah, you know MV. Stop the cap. You are not broke. Probably the richest one behind Burton in this group right here. That's all I'm gonna say. She makes some people's yearly salary in a month, man. Bro, this just looks insane to like watch here. I'm kind of like I'm warming up a little bit to these Rizoma mirrors. I don't know, they're very expensive and you really can't see much out of them, but it's better than running no mirrors for sure. That thing is loud. I love it. It's pure chaos, man. The Texas bike life, I'm telling you, it's different. It's taking everything in me to not wheelie right now. I think I missed the exit. Yeah, we lost them. They must have got off. Oh, Dylan's here. All right, cool. I was about to get mad for a sec. Oh yeah, I know we're at now. Thank you, Dylan, for coming back and grabbing us. All right, well, if you guys don't know, this is like the spot in Texas Fuel City, where a lot of the bikers meet up. I've done countless videos here. You guys seen it on the channel millions of times. This is where I first rode an H2R. Was out here for the M1000RR before I got mine. That video started out here too. There are the boys.
Hey,
what's good, man? How you doing, dog?
All right.
You got the M out?
Yeah.
Hell
I just put the exhaust yesterday.
Oh, there. What exhaust?
I was with Mute yesterday.
Yeah. What's up, man? Hell yeah.
I got stuff to do this morning. I couldn't make it today.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Let me see it. I'm curious what it is. That bike sounds nuts.
Oh, appreciate it.
Oh, the Arrow. What's up, man? Doing all right? You too, bro. Oh yeah, I know this thing is fucking loud, dog. I know that's loud. The Arrow sounds good on here. Yeah, that's crazy, dog.
As soon as I turned it on the first time,
you were like, what the?
Look at how blue that turned out.
Yeah, beautiful, man. Yeah.
From there all the way down.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit.
I wish I had mine, man.
I can imagine this shit, Which one you riding today?
His double R, Vert's double R.
Oh, okay.
The ZX10.
Okay.
Yeah. Dude, it's so smooth. Yeah, it's phenomenal.
That's what he's saying the other day.
I wasn't expecting that. Really good. What?
Wait till you ride that one.
Really? You think it's better than the ZX10?
I don't know. What's up, man? Personal preference.
All right. Huh? Y'all will see the first ride video on George's Gixxer 1K. It's R3, aka R3.
All right, we just pulled up to Fuel City. As you guys can see, up there we got this beautiful ZX10R with the green lights and the chrome wheels on there.
Hey, you dodging him?
Bro, yes, I'm dodging his little ass, bro. I need the H2, bro. I need the H2. Otherwise, we gonna gap him, bro.
I think I'd beat you with 3 cylinders on the triple.
All right, see, if I was 120, I'd be yapping too, so you know what I'm saying?
Take off 50 pounds.
Yeah, you are not. What are you, 170? You are not. Stop the cap. I told y'all, next meet, I'm bringing a fucking scale, dog. I'm tired of this. And we're gonna make sure it's even. Yeah, for real, because they be yapping. Yeah, I'm 250. I'm like, you are not, bro. Stop.
I'm 165.
I don't believe that. We need a scale, dog.
Where's the scale?
How much do you think he weighs, Dylan?
Like 140?
Yeah, there we go. Exactly. 140.
155. With all the gear, like 170. Yeah, with the gear 170. But he has gear too. So.
Exactly, man.
He can easily push his body weight because his weight.
With gear is probably like 245.
Nah, 260. At least, yeah. What's up, man? No, I got to cut the camera off. Why is that?
Huh?
Why is that?
Private property, so technically you can't video record it, man.
All right, he's doing his job. That's fine. I'll cut it off for you guys. We'll catch up with y'all later. All right, we back, boys. On the phone, though. That's cold.
Bro, what?
That's dope. Right-hand drive, too. And on the old school joint. Yes, sir. We're back. We're being real casual here, but RSV4, S1K. We got George's Gixxer out here stunting on some people. Slow wheel. Yeah, Panigale V4. The Arrow on this M1000RR sounds nuts. S1K. What up, what up? Uh-oh. We need some wheelies tonight. You guys probably won't be able to see any of them, but we might have to make it happen.
See your progress. You said you'd be
I'm on Burton's bike. I'm on Burton's bike. If I wasn't on Burton's bike, I'd be down. Yeah, I would 100% be down.
Next time.
Yeah, next time. When I'm back on my bike, I got you. I got you. We got Dylan Gixxer here, SB2, it's R6. We got that ZX10R-Ks that she's been doing staggered on. All right, so we're gonna do a tunnel run. We're gonna go ahead and start loading up here. I still can't get over how beautiful this freaking bike is, man. It's nuts. ZX10, I love this thing. Fuel City is always jumping. Always a nice turnout, which is a lot of fun. But all right, tunnel run. I'm gonna put the camera up. Get you guys on the DJI here.
My name's Trey. It's nice to meet you, brother. I used to watch you all the time in high school.
You make me feel old when y'all say that. High school's crazy.
No,
what are
bro.
you in now? Are you in college?
You don't even want me to answer it, dog.
Oh God, yeah, I don't want to know actually, man. But I appreciate you, man.
25,
For real.
bro.
There you go.
I'm out of
Damn,
college and everything.
I've been vlogging for that
Dropped out
long.
and bought bikes already.
There you go. He's living his best
Yeah,
life,
you're a
man.
big influence on me.
Hell yeah, bro. I love
Glad
that,
you came
man.
down and blessed us in Dallas.
Oh,
dude.
I love Dallas,
You guys are riding
dog.
with some killers tonight too,
Yeah,
huh?
absolutely. And I
Hell
love
yeah.
Dallas, so.
Watch out and be safe, brother.
Yeah,
I'm glad
I
to have you
appreciate
in
it.
town.
Yes, sir.
Take it
Thank
easy,
you, man.
All right, guys, so we are gonna head to the tunnels. We get this ZX10 started and going. Where's this key at? We're gonna do a tunnel run, stop at some yellow thing, and then Bert, Rafa, and I are gonna head back up to Burton's house and just kind of call it a night and kind of kick it, hang out. We got some good content today, so I'll enjoy some time with the boys. I leave tomorrow, so I fly out tomorrow night. So last night here, technically, we always try and balance the riding and filming, also spending some time just like off camera, actually hanging out. So good to see you, bro. When do you head back home? I don't know. Just kind of you're full time now, right? Congrats, man. We're going with Rafa. He's going home. Hey, bro. Good to see you, man. Be safe. All right. Where'd Rafa go?
He's back here.
Oh, okay. I thought he left. I was like, shit. I've talked about this before. We are headed to the tunnels. If you're not familiar with it, you must be sleeping under a rock on Instagram, because everyone that lives in Dallas or visits Dallas goes and shoots some rollers in the tunnels. It's great for rollers, obviously, but it's also great for just kind of opening the bike up and really seeing what it can do, like top end wise, because it's just open and straight and a little traffic depending on when you go. Traffic isn't bad, but it's fun to go down there, and we're taking a big group. So as always, God keep everyone safe, help us to have a good time, and yeah, here we go. Yeah, last time we did a tunnel run, it was with Rafa, so it's good to be back with the boy again, the homie. We got Will Kid Hill out here. Usually on these group rides, I like to stay towards the back, just kind of watch how everyone's moving, versus typically people are trying to fight to be up in the front. And that's typically where it's a lot more dangerous. Versus at least if I'm in the back, I have some time to react, just go south. Oh, I love this shit, baby. I love this shit, man. The tunnels, baby. Oh, man, the infamous Dallas tunnels. Let's go. George is hype. Yes, sir. Straight chaos. People doing wheelies left and right. Guys, I really love Dallas. I really love Dallas, man. Let's go, baby. Come on now. Let's go. Yeah, I don't. Whoever tuned this bike, there's a big fueling problem. It feels like the bike, like I'm chopping throttle when I'm not. Around like 8.5K. Look at the freaking Dallas lights, man. I love it. All right, guys. Well, that's that. I don't know how much of that I can actually keep in. It was just fun to rip, man. Holy cow, what a crazy fun ride though, dude. Most importantly, everyone made it here safely. No one went down. Thank you, God. That rear brake is awful. You got it? Oh, absolutely, dog. Come on now.
Is it this I'm smelling?
What is it?
Yeah, it's cooling, bro.
No way. It does kind of smell like it.
I used to have a Kawasaki, and
Yeah.
it smelled just like that. It was cooling.
This is his bike. He says we're leaking coolant. Good old Cowie, baby.
I think the brake light on this bike is always on.
Really? This one?
Because I was behind you in the tunnel and I didn't know if you were braking or going.
Oh, shit. I wasn't on the brakes that much, so.
And if you turn the bike on,
Yeah, and look.
light up.
Let's look. Uh-oh. At least it's bright as hell. Insane R1M. You want to get an R1M, bro?
I would definitely. Hell yeah. I love R1s, man. They're just so raw. And,
Wait, so what would you get next after the Fireblade?
between these two.
Really? S1000R R1. They're so
Like,
different.
I would honestly go because it's so comfy.
Yeah, it's such an easy ride, bro. He was wheeling that too.
Yeah. And bro, these are like so
Yeah.
easy to wheelie. It's
Yeah,
like,
they are.
They're just good vibes.
It's like computer, dog. All right, guys, Legacy Room. What's good here, George?
The pizza and the ice cream.
What's good here?
Everything.
Everything?
No, there is a lobster. What is this?
Oh, he said lobster too.
Look
Look at this place.
Where they
Yeah.
put the lobster roll.
Yeah. Oh, that's sick. Alcohol infused ice cream. Okay. Even though I don't drink anymore, it does look really good. Really good. All right. I don't know where we're gonna go, but all right, we got some hibachi ramen. This is looking like the best option to me. We got Indian food. I've never really had Indian food like that before. Crepes Cafe. Sushi. Oh, I love sushi. This might be it, actually. Yeah, I'm feeling that. I already know. We got dry rub barbecue, velvet taco. You guys were here. What are you choosing? And then we've also got, let's see, the Italian job. And now we're back with the boys. Y'all eating here?
We can, yeah.
Okay.
There's like a bunch of selection going.
Yeah, I might get some sushi.
Yeah, sushi, Mexican food, pizza, all kinds of.
I got some hibachi. I didn't show you guys I'm slacking. Food was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Dylan, you get anything? Oh, you got ice cream.
Yeah, I got
He's trying to lose weight, bro. God damn, man.
Oh, Diesel wants to say, I'm on a cut, but gets 3 fucking burgers. He got some pasta and everything.
Hey, that's a cut for me, man. Compared to what I used to eat.
All right, George. This R1 is insane, dog. You guys saw it in the dyno video, so if you've seen that video, go back and watch it. But all right, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm exhausted. It's been a long day. We filmed a couple videos today, so good day productivity-wise. Bert, Rafa, and I are gonna go back to his house. Like I said, we're gonna head back. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Fast Lane gang, babe. I'm gonna enjoy some ripping with the boys here. It's beautiful Dallas night off camera. As always, work hard, be consistent. You can do anything you want in life. Your boy, the ZX10R-R. Comment below if you think we should get one. I do think this would be a cool track bike. But I'm just yapping now. I'll catch you on the next one. The squad, we're out. Peace.
Look at these boys vlogging, man. I'm so proud of them.
Will's gonna be cooking.
That's what I like to see, man.
Here he's got going
Duck.
on, he's gonna-
This R1M, if you guys haven't seen the walk around of it in my dyno video, y'all gotta go watch that, man. This one's insane. You got it decked out right, man. You guys will see him later on. We'll link up with him again in Dallas at some point, either tomorrow or another point in time. But look at this thing. I can't get over it. This is like a dream bike for me. When it first dropped, I was like, this is a dream. So to be able to see it in person now and then get a chance to ride it, I'm super excited. But M1K, I was on this ZX10R-R today. I really like this bike. I was honestly impressed with how much I really liked it. Will's on this Cedar R1000RR. You guys other two boys over here. And then all this.
Are you getting the extended? Or are you going to get the full carbon?
I like the regular tank. The extended is better for racing.
Yeah.
You know the little like race hump, it comes back like that?
I
Yeah.
don't like the look of that.
Yeah, no.
I feel like it gets in between your nose.
I'm not very tall, so anything that's gonna make me have to be more like
Yeah,
this,
you're like, no, especially on the R1, it's already like this.
that shit's way more aggressive than I thought.
Really?
Aggressive when you're on that bike.
Because the shit is way forward.
Yeah, you look
Ah.
I was right behind you whenever we were like splitting
That's
traffic.
because that's the way that mic. That
You
mic makes
look
sit.
aggressive, man.
It's because it.
Oh yeah, it's far. Forward.
Correct.
You look like when I was behind you. You literally look like fucking mad. Like, come on.
Mr. FastLaneD rode, obviously.
Yeah, I was ready to give you the smoke. He was hiding.
Slow and he was
He was
running
ducking
all
from
day.
your boy,
He was
man.
ducking me all day.